Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China as I explore trade fairs and trade shows to find the next future trending products that I can list on e-commerce platforms. I've got to understand how China does not need the rest of the world because of its strong economy and because of its strong domestic market, which I can only describe as a pet economy and a pet domestic market. In each and every exhibition that I go to, I see the rise of Chinese brands. Of course, we're in China. I do understand that we are in China. Compared to the last few years, Chinese are buying more of Chinese brands and Chinese products, and in so doing there is a shortage of international brands in these exhibitions, showing that there is a potential market for other foreigners or foreign countries to come and showcase their goods. Although I only see a few countries in each and every exhibition that I go to, I pay a lot of respect to Germany because Germany is always in each and every exhibition, and there is other few countries which I'll be talking about in my future content. But anyway, if you are interested in China and China life, please subscribe as I'll be posting more content.